everybody. I finally got everything I needed to put this motor back together, so we're gonna go ahead and get that started. Hopefully the motor should be going in the car within the next day or two.
Yeah, it is.
This is the water pump I got from the junkyard. I painted it just to make it look better, but the paint is obviously way off and that's just not okay. So I'm gonna see if I can go pick up some aluminum paint from the store, come back and spray it and make it look better. All right, now we're back. The water pump is now paint matched and so it looks all good. Now I'm gonna finish putting on all the parts. So what I'll be running for my intake manifold. So this is the K-Power Industries intake manifold for rear-wheel drive K-swap engines. I was previously running the skunk2 Ultra manifold and I'll go ahead and grab that and put it side by side here. Now, they both are great, but I want to run a OEM tensioner, and so skunk2 Ultra will not allow me to do that, but the K-Power Industries will. And so that's why I'm making the switch. Now, one limitation with the K-Power Industries, I cannot run as big of a throttle body as I was used to, but that should be fine because I'm going forced induction anyways. Now I gotta put these injectors in. These are 725cc ID injectors. Now it's time to put the new thermostat housing on.